Oga Lampard, good afternoon, sir.
Kubala, talk sharp, Joe. I get place where I want go.
Okay, sir. Oga Lampard, people been expect say go give Guardiola boys this kind of wahala.
Wetin dem gon dey expect?
Like one of my guys tell me say na for this match them go open na big yansh.
My big yansh?
Yes, sir. Say na 5-0 una go collect go house.
5-0?
E never finish, sir. The person also talk say that relegation wey dey fear, you must dey go am this season.
Wait oh! Shebi na money who tell you this nonsense?
No be me tell you.
Okay na, no lele.
Oga Lampard, where you dey go?
I dey go start Third World War.
Now wow, who be that? You won't break my door?
You dey mad? Why you brave?
Lampard, calm down now.
Calm down? You see say I don almost enter relegation. Now you say make I calm down?
Haba, plenty games today for you to play now. You need to go relegation.
Thunder fire your esophagus. You dey on top there to chill with the big boys. Me, I dey ground dey struggle for oxygen. Now you dey open your mouth to tell me rubbish.
No be me say make you no get money now.
What? Okay na.
Lampard, I beg wait now.
Shebi I no get money.
Okay, since you won't fight, make we restart them.
You go gree make we replay the match.
I dey mad.
You see am? Your father.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise?
If you beat me finish, I go still carry trophy and you go still go your relegation.
Okay na. Now for inside your grave you go carry that trophy. Idiot.
For this my life, I know they like things wey go give me too much tension. Now why I dey always find this promo wey dem dey call goalless football, wey dey inside 1xbet. If the game wey I pick no enter, but dem play 0-0 for first half, dem go give me back my money.
No wonder I dey like pack balls for your match.
Sorry, which one be your own again?
See the kind promo wey dey like, goalless football. So you no see other better promos like the M effect, accumulator battle, or even no risk bet.
Wetin concern you for the promo wey I like?
It concern me because it encourage your boss packing mentality in life.
Guy, I don tire for this guy. Oya finish the talk. I don leave stage for you.
Come collect your stage oh. I no say make you leave am for me. Anyway, my guys, if una dey go register, no forget to use the promo code GNEXT to get 200% of your initial deposit to use bet. Read the rules and conditions for any promo wey you wan partake, and make sure say you bet with sense. Thank you. Hey, Mr. Man, where you?
Oga Lansari, una welcome. Thank you, Kebele.
Hey, my guy.
Oga Lansari, I sure say una watch the Carabao Cup finals where dem play on Sunday.
How you take sure? You no know say some of us get clubs with that coach? You think say na all of us dey jobless?
Wetin that one come men now?
Oh, Ole. So you still never find club to coach?
Now you give me club to couch.
Wetin happen? Them think say you be Russian guy?
I resemble Russian guy.
If you no be Russian guy, some of these Division 5 clubs fit give you job now.
You say waiting?
Unless even them don't sabi say you no get future for coaching.
I swear to get Sarah, you dey get on my nerves so. Now this kind talk they can't tell well.
Why you carry Third World War enter this matter now? Now this kind talk go dey make people think say you be Russian guy.
Kebele, ask a question before I cast havoc for here now. Okay, sir. Ogole, you been expect say Chelsea go give Liverpool this kind of wahala for finals? No, I no go lie here. I be think say Chelsea get collect plenty girls. But after the match, I came realize saying that Chelsea carry the trophy dash Liverpool. Oga sorry, all of us know say Kepa help Chelsea reach finals. But after the saves wey Mendy make during the match, now the right decision Oga Tuchel make to come out and put Kepa.
Honestly, Tuchel no do mistake. Kepa better pass Mendy for catching PK. But the problem with Kepa na say, the guy too like to the aim high in life. People wey dey aim high in life, now this kind thing them they play. People like Fernandez. A quick word of advice for inexperienced coaches wey fit dey listen to me at this very point in time. I no call anybody name or... Well, my advice na say, anybody wey dey here, that pray say make the sky be in starting point, but not the finish point. Just know say that person that aim high in life, and they go play PK like Kepa.
I see they laugh. Make you no forget to press that like button and share the video as e dey hot.
As wetting the hot.
I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go?